Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. And today something new. I got a little project here and it is this Ford Edge here. And my project is cleaning it up with basic stuff that I have at home. I can't talk. That I have at home, like household products, and make it ready to sell. So it needs quite a bit of stuff that needs to be done to it. And we'll look over that right now, and then we'll start with the first step of working on this 2017, I believe, Ford Edge. And if you're interested in the vehicle, I'll make a review as well of the vehicle, and we'll talk a little bit more about it and about why I'm doing this within this video or after in a different separate one. So let's look at it. First of all, I have a flashlight here. We'll see that there has a lot of debris laying all around the vehicle, and that's not good for the filters, and it needs to be cleaned out. So I'll clean that out and then I'll vacuum it out. And it has some stuff here as well as up on the roof too, as you can tell. So it's been sitting a while and it has a lot of debris that needs to be cleaned, and we'll do that. So mechanically the car is in a pretty decent shape, but the hood struts here, they are shot, they don't work. So that's why I use this broomstick here to hold the hood open for now, and that's something that needs to be replaced too. Not too expensive, and I'll not know how to do it though, but maybe I'll find out and I can do that as well. Okay, so that's the that's one thing. Then the exterior, you can see it has scuff marks all over, and I rubbed on a couple of them and they came off. So I'm gonna take some of my products and get rid of those scuff marks. It also has a PPF film at the front, and there's scuff marks in the PPF as well as where there's no PPF. So that one is interesting. But anyways, we'll get that cleaned up too. So let's look inside the vehicle. Well, there's a one-man show here again. Here we go. Here we go. Inside the vehicle, same story. A lot of vacuuming to do and a lot of cleaning to do. So this will all be vacuumed. You can see there is something spilled, which is like wear and tear stuff. See, there's some dirt here, and all that dirt and grime, I'll wash it out, and I'll try to get it out without any special tools, any special products. I'll take some household products and a couple automotive cleaners, of course, as well, or products to dress it up. As for the seats, they seem to be okay, you know. I mean, Ford at that era used real leather, but then coated it with some kind of plastic film, which I never really liked. The Ford Escape had that too at that generation, which I never really liked that because it takes away that leather look, you know. But that's just how it is. But the good thing is it will be easier to clean these seats here because of that, so that will be nice. Let's open the back door, and same deal here. You can see that the seats are okay, there's no tears in them, look decent, but the floor definitely needs to be vacuumed, and there's a lot of cleaning to do here as well. So we definitely have a lot of work on this Ford Edge, and then we'll go over the mechanics and see if everything is good. The brakes, since it's sat a while, a little bit rusty, but I think the brake pads should be alright, but we'll find out. I see a lot of red dust in the wheels there though. I don't know what that is, but I'll find out about that too, and I'll bring it in for an oil change as well and see if they find some issues with the car. That one looks okay. Let's go look at the other side real quick. Looks good too. I mean, yeah, looks okay. And this one here, yeah, same. It's less though. See that? But yeah, it has something to there with the brake that it's looks a little rusty. Not sure what's going on with that. As you all know, I'm not a mechanic. I know basic mechanical stuff, but not real mechanic. So we will find out what's going on with the Ford Edge and fix it up and dress it up as good as we can. When I see me, and then I'll sell it. Yeah. And no, it is not my vehicle, and the money is not for me either, and I'll get back to that another time. It also has a glass roof that has some cracks, and I'll go to Ford and get an estimate on what it costs to fix that. This Ford Edge here has about 97,000 miles, and that's quite a bit of miles, and it's not the youngest vehicle. So I don't know how much you guys would spend to fix this thing up or not, but I'll try to use whatever I have in the house and see how far I get with that and how clean the car will be after that. And I'll polish it up a little bit with my car polish here, and hopefully that will do it. Other than that, it's a nice looking vehicle. It has tinted windows all around except for the windshield, of course, and yeah, nothing much else to say about it, you know. It's a Ford Edge. All right, let's get into it. Get a vacuum, a shop vac, and let's start vacuuming. Now look at this right here, guys. There's some soil there, some dirt from sitting too long. So always clean your car out. Never leave that crap in. If you park under a tree, bad idea to just leave it in. I know sometimes you have to park under a tree, but always try to clean it out. See, this is so deep, you can see the windshield wiper arm right in there. So always clean your car out, especially here, you know, where the ventilation sucks in the fresh air. This should not happen. All right, okay, I'll keep going here and then I'll get back to you. All right, let's take a vacuum and see what we can get out. I have the small shop vac here, and I'll try my luck here. Vacuuming up here the roof now. I want to show you something. These glass roofs here, I think that's one of the silliest ideas that modern cars manufacturers came up with. First of all, I mean, it looks good, but see, this is cracked already. I don't know what happened there. but it just everything catches on it. See here, look at all the leaves in it, and it's just more fragile, I think, than a normal roof. I just don't like it. And when the sun hits in it, it heats up the car inside too. I mean, you feel like sitting in an aquarium in a glass bowl. I mean, you can cover them up, and this seems to be pretty dark. I cannot see through it, but still, something I don't like. And yeah, plenty of work to do here still, because everything catches in here. I mean, this is just taking me forever. And see inside, it has like this cover there, so at least you get some, I don't say privacy, but some shade in the summer. But still, those roofs here, no, I do not need them, and I don't like them. So they come on a lot of cars, but it's something I would never pay extra for. All right, I'll keep going. Okay, I got the engine bay clean, and I got the roof done pretty decent too. So next, I'm not sure how much time I have, I will go in the interior with that little brush adapter there, and I'll start brushing the vents and everything. And I also have little hand brushes to brush and then suck the dust up, and I'll do that later. But first I'll do the big stuff. I'll vacuum up the floor, and then I'll brush everything else while I suck the dust up. So we'll see how that goes. So turn this on here, and I'll go with it. And you can always use a brush, one of these here for your vacuum, or a soft hand brush, which I do later, and just make sure they're soft. Like this one here is pretty soft, the bristles, so you don't scratch the car. Make sure that it's clean too after you vacuumed up some leaves, and that it's pretty soft brush, you know. That's really important. Other than that, there's no problem with using a brush in the interior. And of course, for the floor, for the dirty stuff, you take the brush off. All right, I'll keep doing that, and I'll get back to you guys. All right, I think I'm done with the first vacuum job here, and let's see what it looks like. It looks a little bit better. It's not perfect because all I did was vacuum, and I don't have a carpet extractor. But since I told you I am only doing this with normal. Sorry about that. So what I said is I'm just using the tools and products I have in the house here, like household stuff, and this is what I've done. And it's too dark, you can't see. Let's go to the other side. It does look better, but it doesn't satisfy me yet. This is not good enough. So I will go somewhere where I have access to a steam cleaner, maybe get the plastics clean. And the carpets, I don't know what to do with them. Let me think about it. And yeah, the plastics, I haven't tried them yet. I may just use a bucket of soapy water and try that first before I use a steam cleaner. But see, there's the back. But the floor beds, I will take those and power wash them. That will help the floor mats help to clean them. Okay, so I think this was a long day, and I'm done for now, and tomorrow I'll be back and do some more. I mean, I'll be back at this car here in the garage and do some more. For you guys, that will be just in a moment.